ठीक है इधर let's see. First of all, uh, I'm, I'm creating new site and zone by command method. So new, be on this world, new site, a name you can E3D sample project. So now you can see we have created the site. Now inside we have to create zone. So I will copy just and I will just change the site to zone and I will name the zone as equipment zone. So space doesn't work, so I'm putting this underscore. Now you can see we have created the equipment zone. So now we will create an equipment. So for that, just select and type here equipment, EQUIP, and name of the equipment. So today we will create reflux drum, reflux and drum, D1201, I think, yes, D1201. So now you can see we have the equipment here. Now we will add shape. So you already know that for a drum we need cylinder and two dish, and for saddle support we will create two boxes. Nozzle orientation and placing of nozzle we will see in next video. So I will go to view, because we know that our equipment is in north south plane. So I will show you without, if we don't select the plane. So once you select this, you can see your cylinder is coming in uh, up and down direction, but we know that our cylinder is in north south direction. That's why for every, we don't have to rotate every time. I will select the plane. So you can select. Now you can see this is north south plane, highlighted one. You can also do this from here. This is up down plane, this is west to east plane, and this is north south plane. So I will select north south plane, and now you can see if you place the shape, so it will come in north south plane. Okay, so I will place here, and we know that the uh, cylinder dia is 1410. I will select, say enter, and then we know the height is 4800. Enter. So now you can see our cylinder is came. You can also use the PDMS method but for opening this. So for that we will type show gen, if you are gen primitives. This is the old form of PDMS. So from there you can also use. So I will, now we need two dish. So for dish I will go here, select this option, and you can see we have the highlighter. So already know 1410 is our dia, and the height is 300. So I will say 300. So now you can see our dish is already kept. Now we want the dish here also. So I will click here, and I will right click here because it is selecting the equipment, and we just want to copy the dish. So go to navigation, select primitive. Now you can see we can select the primitives like cylinder and dish. Okay, so I will select this. Okay, then I can say copy in canvas command, enter. I can select the primitive point, and I will copy to here, and then I will select escape. So actually the dish is already came, you can see by typing F11. Now you can see the dish is already came, but we need to rotate this dish. For that, I will say primitive. You can use the E3D uh, here from here, but I will tell you the simple one. So for that, rotate by 90 about. So this is up, which means this is Z direction, about Z. 90 you will select, you can see, and then again 90. It was already 180, but I just wanted to show you. So 180, and now you can say F11. So now you can see our dish is already created. This is actually slow. So this is already created. Now, we will place two support here. For that, I will show you the old PDMS form method. For that, I will show box. This x we know that it is east, north is y, and up is z. For x, if you see the drawing, x is actually 1060, and y is 300, y is 300, and z is 830, 830. I will say enter, and I will say create. Now these are the points. We already know this point should come in the center of the cylinder. So if you see P3, P3 should connect to the cylinder. So just I will type, I will choose the graphic, and I will select here, so it will come, and I will say next. Now if you see the drawing, this box is 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 965 from the cylinder. So simple, I will use by north 965 with respect to world, with respect to with respect to I will say with respect to I don't know why it is not happening. So let's say 965. Okay, now we need to copy this to 2870. So by command we can also type new box copy previous by in north direction, north by north 2870. Sorry, wait, by not 2870. Now you can see our box is copied. This is the simple method to create an equipment. Hope we will see nozzle placing of nozzle in next video.